Welcome back to AutoForm CRM. In this video, I'll show you how to track every deal from first contact to closed, right inside WordPress. This is your deals pipeline. Across the top, total pipeline value, open deals, how much you've won, and your win rate. Your whole sales picture in 4 numbers. Below that, the board. Every deal is a card, and every card sits in a stage. Lead, qualified, proposal, negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. One look tells you exactly where your revenue is. Moving a deal forward is as simple as dragging it. When a deal progresses, drag the card to the next stage. The totals update instantly. Open any deal and you get the full picture. Its value, its stage, the contact it's tied to, the expected close date, and its probability of closing. Higher stage deals carry higher confidence, so your forecast reflects reality. Adding a new deal takes seconds. Name it, set the value, pick a stage, link a contact, and it's on the board. Search across everything or filter by stage to focus on what matters right now. That's the deal pipeline in AutoForm CRM. Your entire sales process, visual and up to date, on your own WordPress site. Try AutoForm CRM yourself at autoformcrm.com. Just add your name and email, and you're in.